Hello everyone, my name is David from Litex Tech Support channel, and today I'll show you how to check the videos you watched in the past on TikTok. Maybe you want to see where you can locate TikTok watch history like you can do on YouTube, or maybe just the history of Google Chrome to check the website that you've been in the past on. Well, do not worry, because there is a setting where you can locate the videos that you watch in the time. Even if you didn't like them, you still can see the watch history. So that being said, I will just open my TikTok app. So to locate the settings, you will have to reach the profile, and now the three lines from the upper right side of the screen. Let's head into the settings of TikTok, and under content and display you can locate activity center. We are almost done with this quick tutorial, and here you can locate the watch history, and inside here are all the videos that I watched in the past, and even if I didn't like them or didn't write any comment on them, I can locate the whole watch history here inside this section. And also, just as a quick bonus, let's say I want to save this video, you can give them a like, then you can head to your profile and tap just on this heart icon, and I can see the video that I just liked earlier. So in case you want to save certain videos, just like them, and this is how you can check them out later on. So that being said, I really hope I was being helpful to show you where you can locate your watch history page on TikTok. If you saw a video that you think was helpful and you think you lost them, do not worry, because you didn't lose the video. You can locate that in the watch history page. Give us a like and have a nice day.